Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you Wizards and Witches Harry Potter inspired from Crystalskyes hand-dyed. So I thought I'd show it to you. So let's take a look. It always comes in this bag, and here it is. So let's take a look at what we got. This is exciting. So let's take a look at the yarn, and it comes packaged in this nice bag. Sometimes the bags vary by color, but let us take a look at what's in here. I'm excited. Oh, it's very pretty. So here's the yarn. Look how pretty that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at all those colors. That's really pretty, and it is super soft, and it smells nice and clean. And here's what it's called. I always get the Bengal worsted, which is 100% superwash merino and 220 yards, not including the mini skein that I get. I like to have a mini skein with it. Oh, look how pretty that is. It is super pretty. I love that. And this is the name of it, Nagini, which I think that's the name of the snake in the Harry Potter movies. Oh, that's really cool. So that was the yarn, and now for the goodies. Alright, let's check it out. And now for the goodies. Alright, so for the goodies, we got some apple spiced apple cider mix. Nice. I've never had this, so I can't wait to try it. And we got a Kit Kat bar. Yay. And here is a little bag with a gift in it. Oh, how pretty is this? Look at the clasp. I mean, that clasp is really pretty. Don't look at my ugly hands. There's the clasp. And here is, oh, it's backwards. I guess I should show it to you front ways. And there is the dangle on the clasp. That is real on the bracelet. How nice is that? So that's a really pretty bracelet. So we got the bracelet. We got a Kit Kat bar. We got an apple cider. How lovely. And we got this beautiful yarn in this month's Wizards and Witches Harry Potter inspired kit from Crystalskyes hand-dyed. That is quite lovely. Absolutely love that. So that's really amazing. So thank you guys for watching. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.